What's up, everybody? This is Average Aaron's auto mechanic video, and I'm going to be replacing a PCV valve on a 2003 Dodge Ram 2500. Here's a picture of the part that you can see right here. Now, when you pick up the new part, it needs to have a little bit of a rattle in it, which you can hear that it does, because that part needs to move in there. The tools that we're going to need today are just a pair of pliers and a flathead screwdriver, and then the brand of PCV valve that I bought for the truck is a standard. So on my truck, the previous owner put a cold air intake on it, so I have to remove that in order to get back to the valve, which sits right in here at the tip of my finger, which you can't really see, but I'm going to go ahead and remove, loosen up this bolt right here, take this off, disconnect this hose, and then I believe disconnect the air temperature sensor, and then disconnect right here and remove it from the throttle body. So I'm going to magically do that and then be right back. Alright, got that out of the way, and I went ahead and zoomed in here next to the throttle body so you can see this little black twist top right there. That's what I have to take out. Now, it's pretty difficult to get in and out of there, so I recommend a pair of pliers. And I'm going to set up the camera so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Hopefully I don't knock the camera over while I'm removing the part. Alright, so I'm going to reach in here. Oh. Because of the direction it twists, you're going to want to reach behind it and come around so you can twist it up. But once you break it loose, gotta keep going on it here. It slides up and out. Now, I pulled this before and cleaned it, and as you can hear, it's still moving a little bit, but it's still fairly dirty and grungy. So I'm going to replace it with my new part. And one of the things you want to make sure when you replace is that they are the same part, designed for the same vehicle. I don't know if you guys can see those numbers very well, but they line up. The part looks identical. The valve opening on the correct side. So I'm going to go ahead and put this part in. I'll start it with my hand. All right. It only goes in one way. Once you start it, use the pliers, tighten it back down. Oh. Now it should be parallel and run this way directly with the car, and that's how you know you got it locked in correctly. The reason I replaced this is because I had a P0456 engine code pop up, and this was one of the recommended fixes. So that engine code will hopefully go away. I'm going to go ahead and clear it, and then I'll come back in the comments and let you guys know if it worked. Thanks for watching my first video here on a PCV valve replacement. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. Thanks, and have a good day.